Hey, welcome to the show, my math ninjas. Today we're going to be doing a little multiplication. We're going to multiply a 4-digit number by a 1-digit number. Don't worry, we're going to take it easy cheesy, lemon squeezy. All right, so let's go ahead and begin. First of all, we're going to start on this side right here. And if you know your threes, make sure you learn your multiplication. So 3 times 3, what is 3 times 3? 9. So I just go ahead and put a 9 right here. And then I'd start over by the next number right here. I just keep on working down this way. So 3 times 6 equals 18. Oh yeah, you guys are super smart. So I'll put 8 right here, and I take that 1 and I'm going to put it right here. I'm going to add that number in a little bit. Not yet, in a little bit. So now I'm going to go ahead and multiply 3 times 4. 3 times 4, 12. Now I'm going to add that 1 right here. So 12 plus 1, 13. So I put the 3 right here, and then I'll put that 1 right over there. Yeah, we're going to add that 1 in a little bit. So now 3 times 3 is 9 plus the 1, 10. So let's go ahead and put a 10 right here, and that is our answer, 10,389. Wasn't that cool? Would you like to do one more? Yeah, let's do it. All right, so I'm going to go ahead and get rid of everything right here. I like working on a smart board. And delete that. Go ahead and, what number should we use? Can you put a number down below in the comments, and I'll try to do your problem next time. Let's do 4,517 times, should we try 5? Yeah, let's try 5. And we'll do 5. Now you notice my handwriting is a little sloppy. So there's a cool feature right here that I can make it really neat. And that's called Smart Write. And go ahead and do that. And then I'll put a line here. All right, let's get started here. 7 times 5, 35. So I put the 5 right here. Put the 3 up there. We're going to add that in a little bit. Not yet, but in a little bit. Then we take 5 times 1 is 5. Plus the 3, 5, 6, 7, 8. Don't be late, 8. So we put the 8 right there. Always try to line up your numbers right here. Don't put them over here. Line them up. That way, the teacher's looking at it, or some scientist is looking at your figures. He can see, or he or she can see where you got your numbers. All right, let's go ahead and take 5 times 5 is 25. So I'll put the 5 right here, and we're going to put that other 2 up here. We're going to add that in a little bit. Not yet, in a little bit. And then we'll take 5 times 4 is 20. Now we're going to add the 2, which is 22. So I go ahead and put 22 right there. Hey, if you got that answer, put the likey button. Hit that likey button. We're always trying to have fun on this show, and I hope you are making mathematics fun for you. Treat it like a puzzle, treat it like a game, and just enjoy it. And it's okay if you make mistakes, because we learn best from our mistakes. Try to get outside a little bit today and do a little walking. I'm thinking of going outside for a nice walk. It's a beautiful day. I hope you're having a beautiful day too, and we'll talk to you later. Adios! Goodbye!